Learn to separate a trigger from the cause of anger. What do you mean, Justin? Separate the trigger from the cause of anger. I can tell you the cause of the anger. He's the cause of the anger. That's what. He made me angry. He makes me angry. Now, the wise person knows, who studies consciousness, knows that no one can make you angry. No one can. They can't make us angry. Well, hang in there. Stay with me. What people can do is they can trigger. A trigger or a stimulus, to use a more scientific term, a trigger or a stimulus of something someone does or doesn't do, or an event that happens, or what people do, that can trigger. That's a trigger. The cause of our anger isn't what they do or don't do. The cause of our anger is our thoughts about what they do or don't do. The cause of our anger is our interpretation of what they do or don't do. You see the difference? It's a critical difference. Critical. No one can make us angry. No one can take anger and stick it down. Ow, that hurt. That hurt. I was getting angry at myself there. No one can stick anger into our soul. No. It's our thoughts. It's our interpretation about what people do. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.